In this tutorial, we will learn how to create knurl on SolidWorks. Okay, let's start. Minimize this window and now go to File, New and say OK. Select top plane and say Sketch. Now draw a circle, a dimension of 20 mm. Say finish sketch. Now go to S2 base or boss and select this and make 50 mm S2. Okay. Now what you need to do, select this face, go to sketch and now select convert entity. Now finish sketch. Okay, select sketch 2 and now go to feature, curve and helix spiral. Make sure you have entered 50 mm and evaluation 1. Okay, now reference geometry and select this curve and select end or starting point. Okay, say OK. Now again select this plane, go to sketch, space bar and make normal view. Now what you need to do, draw a sketch. Okay. Now match the point. Say exit 12 range. Now go to shaft cut and select this curve. Say OK. Now we have a cut. Select cut shape and go to mirror, select right plane and then say OK. We have two cut. Now select both mirror and cut shape. Go to pattern, circular pattern and on duplicate axis. Okay, now make sure you have put 20 and create equal spacing and just select only axis and then say OK. It may take some time. Wait. Now we have a null soft. It is a concept how to null or solid soft on SolidWorks. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care.